Welcome back, students. We are discussing number system. In a previous class we studied exercise point 3, right? So today we will discuss exercise point 4. The first question is that visualize the 3.765 on a number line using successive magnification. So here we want to show this number in a number line. So before that one, we want to draw here one number line. So I will draw here. So it is a number line. I will consider here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. This side -1, -2, -3, so on, right? So now this number lies between in 3 and 4. This number lies between in 3 and 4 because this number is greater than the 3 and smaller than the 4. So it is a lies between 3 and 4. So now magnify the interval between 3 and 4 and divide into 10 equal parts. So now I will magnify it. It means make it large. So interval. So this one only we are magnification because here 3 and 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4. Is it clear? So now this number lies between 3.7, 3.76 is there, means 3.7 and 3.8 lies between in these two, right? So now magnify this interval between 3.7 and 3.8 and make 10 equal parts, divide into 10 equal parts. So I will make here. So it is the number line here 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.7, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, so 3.8, right? So now see here 3.76 means it lies between 3.76 and 3.77. So now divide into this interval, divide into 10 equal parts and magnify it. So this number lies between here. So draw here another number line. So here 3.76, now 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, so 3.77. Is it clear? So now our number is 3.765. So here is 3.76. So it is in a number line. Well, students, this exercise last question. The second one, visualize the 4.26 on the number line up to 4 decimal place. So this number we want to show in a number line up to 4 decimal place. So the 4 decimal place of given number is 4.2626. It means the number will repeating. So 4 decimal place means 2626. And now this number is lies between 4 and 5 because greater than the 4 and less than the 5. So this number is lies between in a number line 4 and 5. So first we will draw number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on. Right? So it is a number line. So our number is lies between in these two. So now magnify the interval 4 and 5 and divide into 10 equal parts. Right? So we will make it. Now here 4, next 4.1, next 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5. Is it clear? So now 4.26. 4.26, it means the number is lies between in the interval 4.2 and 4.3, right? So now the number is lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So divide the 4.3 and 4.2 and 4.3 in a 10 equal parts and magnified it. So I will make here. So here 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, 4.23, right? So now our number is lies between 6 to 6, 2, 6 and 2, 7. So our number is lies between here 2, 6. So draw magnified it. Make this number line. So here 4.26, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, 4.27, right? So now our number is lies between, see here 2626, so 262, so lies between 262 and 263. So now make it, magnify the interval 4.262 and 4.263 and divide into 10 equal parts. So I will make here 4.262, 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.26, 4.26, 27, 4.26, 28, 4.26, 29, 4.26, 3, right? So our number is 4.2626. So 4.2626. So here is our number. So this is all about this exercise.